Hey folks, Darrian Wedding Motors here. I'm one of the street or muscle car techs. I'm actually here at our Arizona location. We're hoping to open up pretty soon here again after all the craziness starts to die down. Today's actually a pretty big day for me. When I moved out here back in October, I didn't really have the time or the space to take my project car with me. And as a lot of you car folks know, now having a project car to work on is definitely a hindrance to your livelihood. But today's a special day for me because I got my car brought in today after saving all my nickels and dimes. I actually just got dropped off, so I'm going to do a little walk around, kind of show you guys my car as it sits currently. I did just do an engine and transmission swap on it as well as rear end, but we'll show you around, kind of check things out. Now this is my car as it sits currently. It is a 1962 Mercury Comet. It came from the factory with a 170 and a 3 on the tree. Since then I did a bunch of upgrades. I did upgrade the 6-cylinder at first, but decided that obviously wasn't nearly enough power. So I ended up swapping in a Blueprint 302 crate motor, which we did do a video on. Of course, the latch always sticks on these old cars. So this is the engine here. Like I said, this is a Blueprint 302 motor. This is just their little low horsepower unit. Nothing too crazy. Just 235 horsepower is what it's rated at. Now granted, it's eventually going to have more power than that to it, but that's what it's rated at currently. It does kind of look like a mess. I kind of had to slap this car together pretty quickly over the course of about a week to get to the point where it's even drivable, so I could get it down here when I needed to. It is running a T5 on the inside. Relatively stock. Carpet's pulled out right now. Still got the 3 pedals though, kept it in manual. Went with the T5, had to cut a new hole in the shifter there because I did put a 4-speed in it for a little while. Some auxiliary gauges, running altimeter retro style tack. This car's been with me since I was about 13. Before I could even actually drive, I bought this car. Kind of originally intended to be a father and son project, but at the beginning it was more father than son, and then now it's more son than father. I've had this car for a long time, and it's gone through many iterations, but now it's kind of closer to where I want it to be. Plans for the future, potentially Tech fuel injection. Still not sure yet. We'll see if I decide to go that route. Probably going to go with a upgraded setup for my distributor there. Maybe an MSD unit with like a 6AL box. Thought I might actually do a little startup for you guys as well here. It's plenty warm, so it should hopefully just start right up. Now, I have Anyway guys, that's my car. Definitely have more projects planned for the future on it. So you'll see those go up on our toolbox just like these videos and other articles there. If you are interested, do check out our toolbox there. We have tons of awesome content for you guys to check out. But again, this is Darrian Wedding Motors. Thanks for stopping by.